I am an African business hero and realized in 2016 the sustainable growing technologies out there is not always answering all the problems we have in South Africa. So we developed a new vertical hybrid hydroponic system called the African Grower that followed 3 rules when we developed it. Firstly, it must be compact and easy to travel. It must be an extremely easy system to use and put together, and it must still have a high yield. But we quickly realized technology on its own is not the only solution. We needed to have a systemic plan of how to introduce this into low-income communities where we wanted to work. So we developed a model called decentralized home farming model, where we create agricultural incubators that counts as a proof of concept for the community of the technology. And these incubators are run by agricultural graduates sent to us by the Department of Agriculture. In the first year, they learn all the practical skills of farming. The second year, we help them to establish their own businesses and run the farm as if it's their own, learning all the businesses elements of agriculture. And in the third year, we help them to find their own location to start the agricultural journey. With this model, we were able to sell the product and the model to different NGOs and foundations in South Africa that want to use agriculture to uplift previously disadvantaged communities. We have managed to set up in 5 of the 9 provinces in South Africa and hope to expand to many, many more.
African business heroes!